Welcome to Writer Girl's Word of the Week. It's a weekly video series where we share some of our favorite words with you. Hi, I'm Terri Ann, and I'm a project manager here at Writer Girl. And this week, I'm here to talk about the phrase social determinants of health. Social determinants of health are certain conditions that occur in places where people live, learn, work, and play that affect a number of health risks and outcomes. For instance, access to health care or health insurance coverage, along with education or community civic participation, cost of living, food security, and housing stability. These are all contributors towards social determinants of health risks and outcomes. But research has shown that the phrase social determinants of health doesn't resonate with many people. In fact, this phrase and others like social factors failed to engage audiences even when the concept resonated with them. Studies have shown that when messages are presented in emotionally compelling language, they are more effective. Here's an example of how the term social determinants of health is often used. Social determinants of health are complex circumstances in which individuals are born and live that impact their health and include factors such as socioeconomic and cultural constructs, as well as accessible health care and education systems and safe environmental conditions. So instead, this can be simplified and described using common, plain language that resonates with people and expands our views about what it means to be healthy, to include not just where health ends, but where it starts. And here's an example of conveying the same message using plain language. Health begins where we live, learn, work, and play. Very simple words, very easy to understand, plain language. Here's another example. The opportunity for health begins in our families, neighborhoods, schools, and jobs. I chose this phrase because I find our clients today are more committed than ever to communicating with their audiences in a way that is meaningful and resonates with them on a personal level. I absolutely love that about our clients. Well, that does it for this installment of Writer Girl's Word of the Week. If you have a suggestion for a future word, feel free to leave a comment or email us at hello@writergirl.com. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a great day.